The world's appetite for power is accelerating faster than ever. Population growth, the explosion of data centers needed for AI, and the rise of electric vehicles are reshaping the grid and placing unprecedented pressure on the assets that keep our power plants running. But power generation isn't what it used to be. Today's plants, whether fossil, nuclear, hydro, geothermal, or combined cycle, are being pushed harder, cycled more frequently, and expected to deliver near-perfect reliability. Assets originally designed for steady baseload operation now start and stop multiple times a day, exposing weaknesses that traditional maintenance approaches simply can't keep up with. This is where modern asset monitoring becomes essential. Aging infrastructure, tighter environmental regulations, and a global expectation for uninterrupted power have created a new reality for operators. Nearly 90% of failures can't be predicted using calendar-based maintenance alone. And with unplanned downtime costing millions, power producers can't afford surprises. To stay ahead, operators need real-time visibility into machinery health across every asset, every system, and every plant. That's why the world's leading utilities turn to Emerson's AMS Reliability portfolio. Power plants are asset-intensive environments. Every pump, fan, valve, gearbox, and motor plays a role in keeping the plant online. Emerson's AMS portfolio is designed to cover every asset class, including critical machinery with protection and prediction, essential machinery with edge analytics, balance of plant equipment with wireless and portable monitoring, field instrumentation and control valves with AMS Device Manager and AMS Trex, and asset management, analytics, and workflow orchestration software with AMS MachineWorks and AMS Optics. Together, these technologies create a unified ecosystem where operators can see asset health, prioritize work, and make smarter decisions, whether they're in the control room or halfway across the world. Let's talk rotating assets, starting with the heart of the plant, turbines. Turbines convert fuel energy into mechanical power for generators. When they fail, the consequences are immediate and severe. Production losses can total $50,000 to $250,000 per day, and major repairs that can exceed $10 million. Common turbine issues include sleeve bearing failures, gearbox wear or contamination, rotor imbalance from blade erosion or deposits, and transient stresses caused by frequent starts and stops. Emerson's AMS 6500 ATG provides continuous online protection and prediction, capturing high-fidelity vibration data, peak view impact detection, and event-based flight recorder insights to catch problems long before they escalate. Next, the feedwater pump, a workhorse that supports cooling, steam generation, and condensate return. When a feedwater pump fails, the entire steam cycle is at risk. Typical failure modes include bearing degradation, cavitation, seal failures, impeller wear, motor misalignment, gearbox issues, and overload conditions caused by water intake disruptions. With continuous monitoring from the AMS 6500 ATG or the AMS Asset Monitor, operators can detect early warning signs and plan maintenance before the pump becomes a bottleneck. The circulating water system keeps the plant cool and stable. It includes cooling tower fans, circulating pumps, traveling screens, and associated instrumentation. These assets face abrasive conditions such as broken gear teeth, lubrication contamination, misalignment, imbalance, cavitation, seal and pressure issues, and others. Emerson's AMS Asset Monitor and AMS Wireless Vibration Monitor provide scalable, right-sized monitoring, online or wireless, depending on asset criticality and requirements. Fans and blowers regulate airflow for combustion, cooling, and ventilation. They may not be the most expensive assets, but they are among the most failure-prone. A fan outage can cost $5,000 to $20,000 per day, and replacements can run up to $150,000. Inefficient airflow can also reduce combustion efficiency by 5 to 15%, wasting fuel and increasing emissions. Common fan issues include bearing failures, belt misalignment, imbalance, and in some blower designs, cavitation. Wireless monitoring allows operators to catch these issues early, without sending personnel into difficult or hazardous areas. Compressed air systems and fuel gas compressors support critical plant operations. Failures here can ripple across the entire facility, Common problems include corrosive environments, lubrication contamination, misalignment, imbalance, and broken gears. These assets benefit from a mix of wireless and wired monitoring, depending on their essentialness and failure modes. As the world's demand for power grows, so does the need for reliability. Condition monitoring isn't just a maintenance strategy, it's a business imperative. With Emerson's AMS Reliability solutions, power producers gain earlier detection of faults, reduced unplanned downtime, improved safety, better outage planning, lower maintenance costs, and higher overall equipment effectiveness. In a world where every megawatt matters, the plants that thrive will be the ones that understand their assets and act before failures occur. Speak with an on-site Emerson Power Generation Reliability expert, or access our Reliability in Power Generation ebook to hear customer stories from leading power and utilities, deep dive our solutions, and more.